So one of the first things that surprised me when I first came to Japan is the amount of vending machines you can find everywhere. See, here's number one. That's machine number one. It's just this country, I think this country has the most vending machines in the whole world. I've read that somewhere or seen that somewhere before. It's really surprising. There's number two, see? And it's easier to spot them at night since they got lights on them. But I live in a very urban area, as you can see. There's a lot of buildings here, so if you're in the more rural part of Japan, they might be a little farther apart. Here's number three. This one's a Coca-Cola one, as you can see. So these are all Coca-Cola products, even if they're products you've never seen outside of Japan, like these teas, these cold teas, or these iced coffees here. They're all Coca-Cola products. But yeah, I'm walking around my area here, and I'm gonna walk around a half a kilometer radius, around half a kilometer. So let's see how many vending machines we can spot in half a kilometer. There's number 4 here already. And this one's got Monster energy drink, which is really peculiar. You don't really find that in a lot of vending machines in Japan. Let's see. As I said, this is a more urban area, a much more urban area. So if you were in the middle of the countryside, in the middle of nowhere, you'll still find vending machines, but they might be, there's another one right there. You'll still find vending machines, but they're gonna be spaced out a little bit more. You're not gonna find them like every 10 seconds, or like here I've only walked maybe like 20 steps and I got to 2 vending machines side by side. So these are not Coca-Cola here. So you'll see some different products, but it's basically the same stuff. You don't see a lot of sodas in Japan like you do back in America, where I'm from. You see a lot of teas, and you might find some juices, and even the juices tend to be small size bottles. So it's very health conscious. And this is an kind of like a sports energy drink, something like Gatorade or Powerade, without all the coloring. All right, let's move on. Oh wait, what's this? Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew, look at that. And it's only like $1, which is 110 yen. It's roughly about $1. So this is a very rare case. You don't usually see Mountain Dew in Japan. So this one's a very isolated one. Here's a Coca-Cola machine. Again, your typical Coca-Cola products. Some Japanese old Coca-Cola owned products too. Alright, so let's rush it up a little bit and count how many vending machines we can find in the half a kilometer radius. Let's go. Oh, almost missed this one. Right in the entrance of some apartment building. It's really convenient for whoever lives in this apartment building. Look at that. Easy access to Coca-Cola and whatever else they want to drink. I've been walking probably more than 100 steps, and I still don't see a vending machine. Let's keep going. Ooh, what's this? What's this? What? It's like 5 vending machines all lined up. You don't see this unless you're in like downtown, like Shibuya or Shinjuku, just in a really central, busy area. This is really odd, just in the middle of houses and apartments. So, yep, anyways. These are your vending machines here with, as the last ones, pretty basic stuff, you know, coffee, tea. There's no sodas in these two here. Don't see any sodas here either. Oh, well, actually, no, that's not a soda. I thought this was grape soda. Oh, wait. This is melon soda here. That's one of my favorites, actually. And it's only $1. Let's see. This one has Pepsi for some reason. Oh, I see Mountain Dew. That makes sense. Pepsi and Mountain Dew. Alright. And the next one here. Nope, not Coca-Cola. Another average vending machine with Monster Energy for some reason. Let's keep going a little further. Alright, well, these are the last 3 I'll be filming for today. I've reached my half a kilometer trip, and this is all I found today. So there's probably, obviously there's plenty of more if I keep walking, but that's all I'm gonna count for today, so you can get an idea. Alright, thanks for watching.